do not underestimate your ability to communicate in English. Okay? Do not underestimate because these are some of the fears and things. Alam nyo, ang problema lang sa Pilipinas lang kasi rin yung na pagka marunong ka mag-English, mayaman ka eh. Napakalaking advantage yun ng Philippine market. Kaya po mapapansin niyo, many communication-related BPO o yung outsourcing sa Philippines. Other stuff, pwede na lang i-outsource. Pero generally Filipino. Like in our country, in Canada, we have a TV, internet, telephone provider. Parang PLDT or Smart sa Philippines. Ang customer service po namin, pag tumawag ka, boom, tumatalon sa Philippines. Ganun po tayo kagaling, mga kapatid. Kaya do not underestimate your ability to communicate in English. Okay? Do not underestimate. Because these are some of the fears and things. Alam nyo, ang problema lang sa Pilipinas lang kasi rin yung na pagka marunong ka mag-English, mayaman ka eh. Sa Pilipinas rin kasi yung magaling ka mag-English, matalino ka than other people eh. May ganong perception.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.